Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. This is my Treasure Trove giveaway, and this is an ongoing giveaway. So I will tell you who won from last month, and then we will start a new giveaway. So this is an ongoing giveaway. It's been going on for a couple of years. You may hear some cats around. Not sure what's going on, but they're not right here. They're in the other room. So how this works is I will show three packages that you can choose from. So you're going to tell me, based on number 1, 2, 3, which order you would like to win them in if you were to win your first choice, your second choice, your third choice, like that, okay? So the winner from last time is Mary Mullins, and Mary Mullins chose group number 2, and group number 2 is this group here. And this was, these were some Dashing Diva nail stickers. I'm an affiliate for Dashing Diva. So if you want to buy from them, I use the press-ons. These are the stickers. Please use my link below. It costs you the same whether you use my link or not. And I might get a couple pennies. I might. I don't often, but sometimes I do. This also included the Lucky Chick Daydreams eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to open it all again. I'm not sure why Smudge is crying like that. He does that a lot. I think it's a spring thing, but he has been fixed, so I don't know. We also have a lippy here. This is the e.l.f. Seriously Satin lippy in taffy. It's like a lucite plastic container, and you can see the bullet in there. Very nice lippy. Those are really nice lippies. They work well. And this was a Paula's choice. This is Boost 10% azelaic acid booster. So this is for blemishes, and this right here is a full size. I got this in my advent calendar, my my fabulous advent calendar. Anyway, $65 value there. And then we have this cute little cat pin. So it has a cat head and a cat tail. So Smudge, come on over here. And that is what Mary Mullins won. And now we're going to go over what you can win going forward. So the next time that I will pick will be hopefully around March 29. That is a Friday. And then I will choose after 12 o'clock Central Time. And hopefully that weekend I'll show you the new video. The winner, maybe more than one winner. Sometimes I choose more than one winner. And this time I'm just choosing one winner. And then you will, whoever I pick, will decide what they will win. Trying to get Smudge to stop crying. I'm going to tell you real quick because people ask me. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes. This is Trifle Cosmetics. This is the Honeycomb Light Accentuating Eyeshadow Palette. It's a plastic palette. It has a mirror on one side, and these are all shimmers. And you can see it's much loved. I do like it very much. I'm wearing that, and then I'm also wearing, what happened to the lippy? I'm wearing this lippy that I got in the Lucky Bag. This is MOB Beauty, and this was, this container was $5, and then it came with a lippy refill. So you can do different, you know, pick different ones to put in this so that you save on packaging. MOB Beauty, and that's what I'm wearing, okay? That's what I'm wearing, okay? So group number 1 is the same as last time, since nobody chose it. So in group number 1, we have this professional brush kit, set of 12 e.l.f. brushes. So this is by the brand e.l.f., and there's 12 brushes in there, and I have not opened it. It's a Ziploc bag. We won't open it. We'll keep it the way it is. It has white, it's wood. I do believe it's wood handles, and each brush is marked as to what it's for. Foundation, total face, bronzing, eyeliner, eye blending. So that's in the first package. And then we have these, I'm just going to leave them in here, these rose clips. These are beautiful roses, and they have a clip or a pin. So you can pin this to your coat, to your sweater. You can clip it in your hair. You can clip it onto your purse. There's 2 of them in there. They're beautiful, like satin roses. And we have Smudge. What's wrong with you? I tell you, nothing's wrong with him. It's just a spring day here. The e.l.f. mini, this is called, what is it? I always forget what these are called. It is, why can't I remember the name of this little four? There's a name to this. Don't ask me what it is because I can't remember. But this is the Mint Melts eyeshadow in Mint to Be. I forget what the quad is called, y'all, but it's all mint colors. Beautiful, beautiful. And this one has the Seriously Satin lipstick in it also in Raspberry. Another beautiful lippy, beautiful color. Hard to see that with all the glare. And I think that might have been it. No, there was also this highlighter. This e.l.f. Baked highlighter. It's got some fur on it. This is why I don't like to open things. Moonlight Pearls it's in, and it's also by e.l.f. Very beautiful baked highlighter. The baked products are really nice. I use baked products by Laura Geller, and any baked product that I've tried from different brands, they're nice. I'm not sure why they're different, but they are. So that is group number 1. So if that's your favorite group after I show you the other two, then you would put that first. He worries me. Y'all, he worries me. But we did go to the doctor recently and he's in great health. So that's him. I can't hold you through the whole thing. We've got to show people. All right, since it's easy, I'll show you group number 3. Group number 3 is a secret. I'm using this beautiful Ipsy bag just to show you that there are some goodies in there. It's a mystery. So if you like group number 3 better, the best, just because you know I'll send you something good, then pick number 3 as your first. All right, and then group number 2, we have to replace because Mary won group number 2. So let's see what I picked. Okay, Smudge, you'll have to sit down. Sit. I'll try to show you group number 2. Okay, group number 2 has pure mascara in it. This says it's the Big Look. Now I like pure mascara, but I have, oh, this is really funny. Oh yeah, it is. I opened it and I thought it was a lippy by mistake, but this is just the container. I have not used this one. I used a pure mascara that was all shiny, mirrored like that. This one says Big Look with argan oil. So that's it there. It's not a lippy, even though it looks like one. But their mascaras are very nice. I just have so many mascaras right now. You know, I hardly ever get rid of mascaras, but I do. I mean, I give them away and giveaways sometimes. All right, y'all. Here comes Blue. Then we have this cute little Jasmine Beauty. This is a brow styling wax, and let's see. You know what a styling wax looks like. It's a little pot, and it's clear. It's clear styling wax, and then you know it's for your brows. Then I have Real Her brand. This is a lippy, a cute little lippy. It's Celebrate Diversity. This I recently got, I think, in my Ipsy Glam bag, and it's beautiful. I just have similar, see, very pretty, similar to what I'm wearing. And they're both moving away. Don't know where Camille is at the moment. Sleeping somewhere. It's daytime. They're usually all sleeping, or they're crying. We have the Barbie perfume from my Ipsy. Now, I did show that it's adorable. It's a nice little sample size. I did smell it, but I didn't spray it, y'all. So it's not been used, but a lot of y'all want to know what it smells like. And I can smell it without spritzing it. And I'm not going to spritz it because it belongs to whoever wins. It's sweet. It's nice. It's just, I'm not a big perfume person. I have some perfumes, and you know, so how many do you need? I know some people like perfume like they, you know, like I might like purses or mascaras. It smells very nice. So if you were to choose this, I think you might like that, or you'd find somebody in your life that liked it. And, oh, this, we also have the Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. This is very nice highlighter, and it's a liquid, if you can see it. It has a doe foot in there, and it's sealed right there. And then I also recently got these from Fab Fit Fun. This is the Allure Beauty 4-Step Pedi Kit. And this one is in Pearl Glow Train. We gotta have cats and trains on this. Maybe I should change my name to Mary Cats and Trains. So it's 4 steps to give yourself a pedicure, or, you know, somebody, you could, you know, do this with a friend or a partner or something. You've got your soak, and then your scrub, and then your mask, and then your cream, and you have a nice pedicure. So that is what is in group 2. So now what you need to do is, in the comments, tell me what order you would like to win. If you like, a lot of y'all like the mystery bag. If you like mystery bag, you're not getting this bag. You'll get what's inside. You're not getting what's inside. I just put something in there to show you that, you know, it's not empty. But you'll get something nice. And this is a smaller giveaway based on other giveaways that I do. But if you choose number 3, it will be a mystery. If you choose number 1, it will be the one that has the brushes in it. And if you choose number 2, it will be the one that has the pedicure in it. So just in case, depending on what's going on, just in case, please put in order of how you would like to win them. So if you like number 1 best, put number 1, and number 2 best, put number 2, and number 3 last, and put 1, 2, 3. Then that way, if I do choose more than one winner, and say I choose a winner and they chose number 1, then number 1 is gone. So then you would win. If I choose a second winner, you would win your second choice. Does that make sense? Okay, if you have any questions, ask me. I think that's really about it, y'all. So count your blessings. Have a wonderful weekend. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it, y'all. If you will, tomorrow, my Mask Monday, I would like y'all to pay attention to that. I know that you probably already, if you're watching this, you probably already watched my Mask Monday, but I have something important to tell y'all, and it's not an easy thing to tell. So I would like y'all to be there. Thank you, and count your blessings. Bye, y'all.